Hi. Now the presidential address or head of state's address is very important for any democratic nation. But if you look at the presidential address of United States of America, the most recent one, it looks like it was full with ramblings, inflated claims, and it was hiding the real data. And it was also claiming some things which is impossible, like Mr. Donald Trump. He claimed that he will be reducing the prescription drugs cost by 400-500%, which is impossible, because in real mathematics, if you reduce something more than 100%, then it will become negative. That means the seller, that is the pharmacist, will have to pay for the patient's drugs and not vice versa. So this was a false claim made by Mr. Trump. Then it looks like that he was actually not in control of narrative, and somebody like Trump, who builds narrative, is not in control of narrative right now. And the real reason is the economy. It's the economy, idiot. And the numbers are very bad, because about 3% is the inflation number, which is very high as per United States. And this is when the real inflation numbers, because of Trump tariffs, are not absorbed by the public or the end consumer. It is being absorbed right now by the big companies, because they think that since there is a hearing going on in the court, and court will actually dump these tariffs. But if that does not happen and they start passing the tariffs to the end user and end consumer, there is a very huge chance that the inflation number may soar more than 6%, which will be very, very high. And already, if you look at Trump's rating, it is very low. It's going historically low for this president. So he's not in control of the narrative. Plus, if you look at the statement of Federal Reserve's boss, he told that the inflation numbers are not due to services, but it's due to goods, due to tariff. Directly, it's due to tariff. So that tariff, about which he is claiming a lot, he has claimed a lot in past 11 months, those tariffs has actually hit America badly. So he is not in control of inflation. He is not in control of even unemployment. And unemployment right now, currently, it is highest post-COVID number. So, and much credit goes to the Doge department, which was headed by Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy. So Trump is not in control of narrative, and it looks like that 2026 will be a tough year for United States. But the problem is, when the year is tough for US, it becomes automatically tough for the rest of the world as well, because a declining hegemon, a declining superpower, may not be having the soft power, but it has enough hard power to influence the things badly.